greet us. And the husband, June, and the superstar of the video presentation, Mr. Paul Lalwani. Natangin ko daw yung kanyang talent fee kasi hindi ko kaya. And to all those who gave meetings, maraming salamat po. To my family, my one and only wife. Oh, okay mo na. Ayaw maniwala! Now, of course, my deepest appreciation also for the unconditional love that you have given over the years and support. Whether it was successful or not, you have always been there. So, thank you very much. To my children, unfortunately, JP right now is facing a medical condition. Wala siya dito, so he's facing a challenging time. Also with Charmaine and Chok, also facing a difficult situation. Si Anton is here, and of course Isabel, the daughter who made the video. No words can really say the thank you that I have in my heart and in my soul. For your continued presence in our lives. I was supposed to retire na, 65, retiring age ka na. But I heard the best is yet to come.
Yes.
So, all of these partners, our Boys High Batch, the Baguio Apaches, of course, the Rotary Club of Downtown Session, the ACTS, the Batita. My family, my relatives, the Revolos, the Avilas, and we'd like to thank, of course, Dr. Shelby Ong and Dr. Sam for Fortune Restaurant at nabusog yata silang lahat. So, thank you very much. We will forever remember you. Mrs. Chong is here because Fernando is with Rotary. Sino ba? Sino ba nung si Secretary Pascual is the bearer of good news yata. And of course, our Colonel Gayo of Bicol and Vice Mayor Nelson Gayo, who will soon be the Mayor of Lawak. Or Baguio. And the rest of you, the aunts and everybody. Sabi nga ni Napoleon Bonaparte, I love you all, but I cannot embrace you all. Thank you very much.
So we sing again. Come on, everybody. And sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All of us extending our birthday greetings until the end. Happy birthday to you. Mr. Glenn Garland, are you ready?